Hello everyone, I am setting my new setup here. I am now putting headset on the recorded video and also having a camera so I can also see if is it nice to have these kind of features in my tutorial. So I'll be testing my setup here. While I am testing if this is working, I'll be giving you another um, example on how you can improve your basic calculator using function. So let's start. We'll go to the CXXdroid and we'll do some codes. So we will going to improve what we had last time. But before we start, we need to include the IO stream. So we'll include that one. Include and don't forget to put the that one IO stream. Alright, please. Then also the naming convention. So I'll type using name space std. Okay. So what we're going to do is to create functions. Okay. Only um, functions that we can improve for what we had last time. So instead of having multiple functions that has also repetitive um, variables, we can have one function and we will add the third parameter, which is the arithmetic operators. Okay, so we can do that. We can create a function at the top, so we can have a declaration at the top. We can use it in calc if we can have calc, and then the name of our function is calculator and the data type is integer, and we can pass parameter from the argument. We can pass data from the parameter, by the way, int num1, int num2, and we have the operator. Okay, so we can assign also int operator. Okay, then if the user will put one, that is addition. If the user enter two, that is subtraction. So the operator that we can have here is integer. The data type for operator is integer. So in our main function, we'll let the user input a number. So we'll ask them. So we will use cout. Okay, then we'll let them enter the number. Enter the first number. Okay. Okay. So then we let the user input a number. Okay, let we can declare data type here, or we can declare at the top, so we can have a nice looking code here. So I'll find I already they have found the left brace. So I'll enter here and create a variable num1, comma, and another one is num2, and we have operator. All of those. Okay. So probably operator is reserved name or reserved keyword for C++. That is why there is a color blue here. Using is a also a reserved word. Namespace is also a reserved word, meaning it is already been used in this language for a specific purpose. So if that means you can change it directly. That's a good thing we have an ID to check if our keyword is already been used or is being reserved. So we can use it opt, okay, and then another one here we can use it opt, so we can will not be confused for our data types data to be transferred on in our parameter. Okay, then let when the user enter a number, we will store it on variable num1. So we use cin and store it on number variable number one. Okay, then another one to cout to input a number. Enter the second number. Then we have to store the second number to variable 2, num2 number 2 num2. Okay, and we will going to prompt the user to select whatever arithmetic operator they will use in this calculation. So we can use it using prompt, or we can do it in using prompt, outputting it first. So prompting the user to what to do. Okay, then please select. Uh, please choose. Ano lang, choose choose an operator. Okay. Okay. So I'll use for backslash n for you for the text to move the next line. So then backslash t for tab. Then I will put here if1, that is addition. Then after that I'll make another backslash in here for another new line, and slash n, and another tab, it is backslash t, and I will that one will be assigned for number 2. It is equivalent to subtraction, another backslash here, and for new line another backslash t4 tab, so we can have a nice alignment here for our prompt or the display of our uh, text. So I'll put here 3 and assign it to um, multiplication. Then another one, last that one is slash n, and another slash t, and this one is number 4 and is equivalent to division. Okay. Then I will another put here another slash n for the new line, and I will just my choice. I my choice is okay. So whatever is the number that they will input the user. So whatever it is, so we don't forget to have a semicolon to terminate the line, and we will store it on variable opt. Okay, so now what we can do is to transfer our data to the variable in calc. Okay, oh no, the function calc. Okay, so to transfer the data we have to call it calc, and here to pass two three data on the argument, Okay, first is the variable 1, number 1. Second is num2 and opt. So those are the things, or those are the variables that we pass to our function calc. So in the function calc, what we're going to do is to define this function, what this function can do. So in here, we can make the definition or the how this function will work. So we have a tab. We can have first is we have the if statement, checking what option is being selected. Okay, but before that, we have to also create an integer for answer. We declare it. Okay, so now we have here if statement, if of is equal to 1, so that means that is addition. Okay, so we have to make the answer is equal to, if that is addition, we do the arithmetic operation, which is addition, num1 plus num2. Okay, then we'll just add the same thing like here for else if. Okay, then if opt is equal to 2, so we will perform subtraction here. So answer is equal to num1, that's subtraction, is equal to num num2. Okay, that is for subtraction. So we will just copy and paste for us to make it fast. It's the same logic. So we copy this one, and this is for multiplication. Okay, so if option is equal to 3, we are basing here on what we from on the user. So 3 is multiplication. So we have to put here 3, and this was symbol for arithmetic operator we use for multiplication. That one. Then we will do the same thing. We will paste it again. It's the same structure. And this one is, that is, okay, 4. Okay, then remember what we had last time in our function. We check if the second number is not a 0 because we have to define it 0. Okay, we don't have an error. So to do that, um, we check if um, variable number 2 is not equal, so not equal to 0. So it's not equal to 0. So if not equal to 0, meaning that it has a value, so we can do is to perform the calculation, which is to proceed to division. Okay, so tab it para to make it much nicer to look at. So we have answer is equal to num1 divide num2. Okay, then here else we directly uh, write, for example, if to, to check it, we can also provide value answer automatically to 0. Okay, so that's it. That is our definition. So we already have how our functions will look at. So first we have four functions: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So what here, we already created one functions and we fit it all here in one function. So to make your codes much more nicer and much more shorter. So that's it. We can try the we can test it. So we can output this one since this is a return, has a return type. So we need to output it. So C out. Okay. The output is okay. Or we can just uh okay, we can directly output it to make it much more nicer, much more shorter and faster to look at for the output in this program. And don't forget to put concatenation. Okay, and also don't forget to put here end line. Okay, I guess that is working in our code here. We will try. So we'll first do the addition, second we'll do first the subtraction, third for multiplication, and fifth for fourth for division. Okay, we'll try. We'll run the program. Hopefully there's no error. Yeah. Okay, the program will ask the user to enter a number. We can here 100. Okay, then enter a second number. We can have also 50, for example. Okay, then we prompt the user what to do in our program. First, we have a series of we have four numbers to choose from. So first we can choose it from 1. When we want, we add 150. So we can have 100. The output is 125. Okay, what happened? The program finished it. The output was 25. So we will try and and we will going to debug our program. Supposedly that is 150, right? What happened? Now I see this two. Yeah, yeah, answer is equal to n num1 plus num2. Yeah, there's no if one we perform addition. If one of is equal to 1, answer equals num1 plus num2. Yeah, that's correct. How about for number 2, number 1 minus num2? Okay. Yes, if option 4, still the same. So everything is working properly. But what is happening right now? Calc num1, num2, scene for num2, enter for second number already. Is it okay na wala ni siya? So, but again, why is it na supposedly ganina the output will be 150? Let us try again. We have 50. So we have 50. So we choose what is my choice. I choose to have 1, so that is addition. So I have 120. That's 120. And why? For a while. Okay, so that is the advertisement of this program. If you are going to use it in online. So what happened is we do in ants, yeah. Or we can declare initialize also the value for answer. So we can set the value for If there is no calculation, we'll try if that is okay. Sin for num2, it's still the same. NO2, NO1. Yeah, everything is fine. What happened is no. We'll try to use subtraction. We put 2. The output is 10111. Why is it okay? Why is it that there is, yeah, the output is right? The output is your calc number one. It's, everything is working. I will stream include using namespace std int calc. Everything is working fine. I don't know why that there is um error. Let us fix this one. Opt if off if off else if, yeah, else if, else still the same. Int main int arc. Okay, so what is the problem? Let us run it again. I sorry, it's wrong again. Here I put it a character. Too many ads if they're using it online. One, one, so I'll choose one. So that is 120. My choice, the output is 120. It's always 120 for addition, right? Whatever it takes, it is 120. 100 plus 500, 113, and the output is 113. Okay, why is it that there is a problem here? Include, and there somewhere, yes, we enter it, say out. We choose option. Yeah, option, yeah, we have number one. Okay, sorry guys, this is what we have. The problem is we don't return the value. We forgot it. That is our mistake. Sorry for that, guys. Sorry, I am not attentive for this return, and we will return the answer. Okay, the only thing that we have lacking in here is that one. So we will try run it. Okay, it's 150, and we choose one. So we have 150. That is what. Okay, okay. So so dumb to miss that lineup. Okay, then we have 100 also. I'll be choosing now subtraction, the same number that I input, and I'll choose it too. So we have 50. Okay, that's working properly. Okay, then third one, same number, 100, and we have to use again second number 50, and we choose it 3, and this is 5,000, which is correct. Okay, 5,000. Then last one, we will run it again, and we will the same thing to test our arithmetic operation. 100, 50, and no, so 50, and the answer for this one for number 4 division is 2. Okay, that's correct. That's great. So again, this is the codes for our program. It we make it much more shorter. From for 4 functions that we made, we already only have one function that we only had the third parameter for passing the what kind of arithmetic operator that the user want to perform. So again, thank you for having me, guys. No, we have sorry for that bug. So hopefully you can also learn from it from you guys. Then so thank you for um, watching along the way. For I guess we have uh, almost 30 minutes. So thank you again. I'm trying to see if this is working or not working. But again, thank you for watching. God bless everyone. Keep safe. Bye bye.